So there's absolutely zero footage from Vlogmas day 20. Yeah, from day 20. Back up. But it's Vlogmas day 21. That winter soulish stuff, like, that ain't affect y'all. Like, I was just real. Hold up. I'm trying to move my suitcase past my dog. Oh, shit. I was real, not wanting to be bothered with anything. I just did some editing, some cleaning, because now I have to do some packing, and I hate bringing up suitcases in front of Roxy and Dexter because they get all anxious and stuff because they know we about to be out. So I'm out of breath. Now I'm about to go and wrap Raymond's presents. We open them before, when it's a year that we travel, we open them before we leave. Whew. I should not be this out of breath. That suitcase was empty. Yeah, so we open them before we leave. And so that's going to be tonight because we leave at the butt crack of dawn tomorrow morning. So you guys could see Raymond's presents later. And yeah, that's my day. Packing, the last little bit of straightening up, wrapping Raymond's gifts. And oh, Roxy gets her staples out finally today at 2:45. So I'm gonna take her to do that. And I have been debating whether I should go get myself a new coat because it's gonna be cold in Buffalo. And I really only have like those cutesy little wool coats and stuff. And what always happens to me is I'm like, oh, I'm just gonna throw on some leggings and a hoodie and go run to wherever. And I put my coat on and I look like a fool. So I need to figure that out. I want another coat, but do I really need another coat? I don't know. I'll figure it out. I don't want to bring two coats either. Too much stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna go get the wrapping paper now and start getting the rest of my life together. I don't know if y'all could hear Dexter crying in the background because he saw that suitcase and he like, what the hell? Deuces, doggy. Coming home all extra early. You told me 2 o'clock. I think I'm sweating a little bit. That was nasty, guys. I had to record my educated fit tip for a healthier 2018. Now we can go and harass Raymond. Let's see what the hell he doing. He better have my presents. Excuse me. Raymond's presents?
That's your presents.
You're a jerk. Look at Roxy. Even Roxy like, that's fucking bullshit. What do you have to say for yourself, Mr. Fife?
Happy to be home.
Okay, I'll take that. Look at Roxy. You set free, Roxy? You don't gotta be in the playpen no more. You don't gotta wear the cone no more. You out here, Roxy? You out here? Dexter trying to steal your shine, Roxy. He trying to steal your shine, Roxy. Roxy got the silver chain on and everything. You over this? You want me to stop bothering you now? Never. Never. Raymond got me out here standing in the cold. I'm freezing. We're going to get some food. Some Chipotle. Our flight is like the butt crack of dawn tomorrow. And this stupid Uber app won't let me reserve our Uber. And we need it at like 4 o'clock in the morning. So I don't know how the hell we about to put this off, but it gotta go down because I got a $10 off ride. Yeah. So our Uber would be $5.
No matter what.
Yep. Look at how this joint is wrapped.
My time is valuable, okay?
You couldn't even let me get like a little bit of a better wrap down for that?
You lucky I didn't even freaking put it under the tree like that.
You could have. I mean, it's a little teeny tiny thing, so I already know what it is. Oh, this is cute. This is like the Cinderella. Yeah. This is so cute. Oh my god. I gotta put it on my bracelet. Look at that. Look at you.
Like it.
I see you. I see you. So y'all saw our presents. We're such great gift givers to each other. Now we packing. Well, Raymond packing. I'm mostly packed. But there's still some stuff that's not in there. Daryl mentioned something about going out on Saturday. They said like that. Anything. Can y'all see him in the mirror? My issue is I don't know what the heck I'm gonna wear because I'm wearing leggings to travel. And an oversized sweater to be warm. I don't got time for being uncomfortable on airplanes and stuff. I don't know how people do it. They be having like a full face of makeup, the cutest outfit they could possibly wear for that day, and be in the airport. I can't do it. I need to be comfortable because I'm already uncomfortable in them seats. So we're just gonna pack. I'm gonna finish my 1 limit glass of wine. You gotta get the key to the dog sitter. Take a shower, do my nails, vacuum, not in that order. And then I'll be ready for our adventures in the morning. This vlog is probably gonna be long because it's Friday. Then I'm going to be recording tomorrow and Sunday. So I guess I'll post this on Monday. Dang. Maybe I won't post it till Tuesday. It'll get posted either way. But yeah. I'll probably see y'all tomorrow. At this time of morning,
Oh yeah.
we're on our way.
You get to the house and be like, Karen. Karen.
You see the plans, Raymond. It's what time is it? 5 o'clock? Oh, fuck, medium height. Signed up for this. We made it, guys. I don't want to get copyrighted. We made it to Buffalo, guys.
Yo, why
Raymond
is your
trying to
voice
learn
so annoying? We made it to Buffalo, guys.
Raymond trying to learn to rent
Put
a
some
car.
bass in your voice.
If you want me to sound like a man, I can. Was that manly enough?
We made it to Buffalo, guys.
Y'all, this weather sucks. On the door.
You sure?
Yeah.
It don't work, bro.
You broke it. You gotta pull it.
Oh.
Push it and turn it.
Bruh.
What? That's not how you like your passengers, I marry.
Safety, okay? We all about safety in this car, okay? Make sure we got you guys all buckled up.
Well, buckled up, bundled up.
I'm gonna put on my snow tires. All right.
Okay, we
I
out
haven't
this
drove in
game.
snow in a long time.
Right?
It's gonna be interesting.
So we gotta always make a stop to Jim's. Raymond got this old sloppy cheeseburger hoagie. Oh, you didn't open yours yet?
No.
Okay. Well, I need to open mine too. Ooh, everything is on. Leandra, you be checking out my YouTube video?
I saw the I paid attention to the one about Roxy. I was about to ask you how is Roxy.
Oh, that's it? you
watched the other one?
I need a fork. Oh, can you give me a fork? Oh, I thought this was gonna be in the video.
Okay, judging by what just happened with Charles, I'm afraid to see what mine is looking like.
Yeah, this is like real sloppy.
That's good, but
It's a hot mess. Oh, sloppy sandwich. But I'm about to tear it up. Oh, look at Leandra's is all intact. What did you get?
The cheeseburger one too.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
I didn't eat. I swear I quit.
World star.
Why you smell like baby powder?
World star. That was it?
I can't wait. Oh, I'm glad I know you record. What I'm about to say. What? There's some fries in here. Poopy here. Then we got the chicken sub.
Chicken finger stuff.
Huh? The iPhone 6.
There we go.
We're gonna tell them that this is a pretty important spot for us.
Why don't you tell
You tell them. This is your vlog.
them? So, you a part of it. Since you think it's so
We at
special.
Cecilia's. It's a martini bar. And this is where we had our engagement shot. So I put that good ring on her. You know what I mean? The kid, you know. You know me. You know me. I'm just saying.
What else you saying?
I'm the man. My hairline going away.
You talking about your hairline. I'm thinking about how did I clear up my skin so fast? Except for this. But that's new. That's okay.
It's that Roxy surgery stress pimple.
Nah, that came when this pimple came when Daryl came. and now he back. Why he in a martini bar with a hat? Oh, he's spilling on my sleeve. I already got a stain on this shirt. I'm gonna bring Leandra into this one.
Leandra?
Yeah.
I thought we had a different name for her. Like Lily. Lily.
Lil Lee.
Lil Lee.
Lil Lee. You trying to be on a YouTube vlog?
Lil Lee with D. Lou.
Lil Lee, you trying to be in a YouTube vlog?
Oh, a vlog?
Trying to be in my vlog?
Hi.
You already said hi today.
Oh, I did?
So if it's a different way, show her how to do it then, Uncle Raymond.
That's wrong. That's wrong. That's wrong.
No, that's right.
What is
Okay,
this?
I'm trying.
Oh!
Oh.
Oh, you a big shot, huh? You gotta watch.
Let's see, Tanya. That's cute. Now you gotta learn how to tell time. Because you done asked me in the past hour what time it is about 59 times.
Okay, so let's start. I told you I coupon, please.
Hey,
I'm like, I got all my memberships and everything at all my stores. There you are.
oh!
There you go.
What is that?
There you
I was tagging Karen and Leandra on Facebook for months because I've been wanting this hat for years. I don't even know if I can put it on my head right
go.
now.
Not with the braids, but when you have your little natural do, it's
Oh,
gonna
yeah.
work.
What? It's nice and secure. I've been wanting this hat forever.
That looked like a
Yes.
pillowcase.
It's a hat.
The thing about it
It's
is
for
satin
natural
line.
people, for
What, do you
natural.
sleep in it?
You can sleep
Or
in
you
it,
wear it
or you can just
outside.
wear it outside. Yeah.
It's for natural, the natural.
Right,
Sure.
Leandra.
Look like a pillowcase.
Alright.
Don't worry about it. We understand this, okay? We don't need your help.
And here you go.
This the last one?
Yes,
Do
it is.
you honestly think he cares about wearing something natural to keep that natural?
He naturally gray, so he don't got no
I'm
option.
feeling some natural hatred.
Okay, Leandra. See, everybody should want it. Wow.
There you
go. Look at that.
Are you really feeling
That
all
is
this?
pretty. Look.
Hey, it's an option for me to start working, man. I gotta, you know,
This is nice.
You never know.
Leandra.
started from the bottom.
Okay, let's see what we got here.
We like a bunch of little kids.
We,
There's a
we've
box
accepted
inside
that a
the
long
other
time
box.
ago. Let's accept it.
There's another box inside.
Okay, what's in here?
Earrings, I'm guessing.
Tanya.
Oh,
I gotta admit,
I
the
like
Super Saiyan
those.
was kind of cool for
This
us.
Let me
was
see.
kinda-
It's kinda
Yeah, we
cool,
had
yeah.
fun this year. We really
Oh,
did.
those are cute.
exactly.
We had a lot of fun. You gotta try the first
You gotta
one.
try it
Strong
on.
J now. You
There
can't
you
just
go.
putz around.
There you go.
Yeah.
There you go.
Strong
Get
J.
it, girl. There you go. Okay.
Was that a vote?
Bop, 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 bop.
Right?
Johnny, you should- there you go.
Like
That's-
McCoy
that's
ran
the
the
big
ball.
one.
Hey, man.
That's the big one.
Uncle
Okay.
Dave, look.
Oh, wow.
Uh-oh.
Oh, wow.
We both got
Okay.
watches. Uncle Raymond, we both got
Okay.
You gotta see what those joints
Flying
went
high.
for. You gotta see. You ever saw what those
That's
things went for?
cool.
Are you serious?
Yeah, you had to do
Uncle
some looking
Raymond, we
around to
both
find
got
That's
that.
watches.
nice.
I had to do some
Let's see it.
serious
Let's see a
looking around to
close-up.
find that.
That's nice.
Let's see a close up on that.
That's real nice.
Boo.
Come on, bro. We in the same spot the Bills are gonna be in.
Just thought
your
you might
time.
like having a case.
And there's a tablet or iPhone or
iPhone?
iPad.
Uh-oh.
What is this?
Uh-oh.
What is this?
Wow.
What is this?
What does it say on the front?
I don't know.
Sound it
What?
out. You can read.
You can read.
There you go.
Now you can FaceTime us.
Ballin'.
You got a better iPad than we do.
Yeah, you got a mini.
I even got one.
Wow.
Nice.
It's cold.
Nice, Tiny.
You sure that wasn't for us, Karen, or you
Right?
mixed that up?
Did you
mix
set it
that
up
I
already?
don't even got one either.
You got a computer.
Yeah, you know, but it's not iPad.
Jab, jab.
Tell her to stay away from your iPad.
Jab,
Jars?
jab, jab.
What?
You gotta set it up, Tanya.
Yeah, you gotta
It's
get
gonna
it
be a
set
while.
up.
Started.
Room is messy. There's a whole bunch of stuff around it that you need to
Junky, clean.
Got it. A lot of these are downtown. They fly around.
Seagulls.
Fly around.
And
Bird.
they
Pigeons.
take.
Crow.
There you go.
You're not gonna say anything? No? Okay.
Blueberries are great. Everybody knows that. Everybody knows blueberries are great.
Got a foo-foo beer.
Foo for my foo flow.
Guys, no diets. Look at all of that food for the 7-year-old. You gonna eat all of that?
The bottom is under the bottom here, Tony.
Yep, it's gonna hatch.
It's real. Oh shoot!
Hold it.
Try.
It's cracking.
Ew. This is weird stuff.
It is weird.
You gotta help it push.
How do I do that?
Let the bottom of the egg. Let the bottom.
Hold the bottom of the egg, Tanya. Don't be afraid of it.
It's creepy. How do I do? It's creepy.
You wanted this thing.
It's creepy. It's creepy. It's creepy.
I didn't think they hatched so quickly.
I thought it was gonna be like a week before that thing hatched.
Oh, now you can pull it out.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
That's it?
There's two.
So you gotta wait for the other one to come too?
You can't pull them out. They have to come out on their own.
What?
Yeah, so
What the heck?
once we have pushed this out of
And
our
then
egg,
it came
you can
out.
pull us out.
You can pull it out.